वेलकम टू प्रिंस शॉर्ट एंड हाउस स्टूडेंट्स। आज हमारी एक्सरसाइज नंबर 65 सर जीडीविस्ट स्पीडोग्राफी से 400 वर्ड्स ओनली 60 वर्ड्स ए मिनट। रेडी स्टार्ट। मिस्टर वाइस चेयरमैन सर, I gladly welcome the budget which is rural oriented and is also aiming at relieving the poor sections of the country. Sir, the budget could be assessed from the facts that we have seen of what had happened last year or in the last financial year. The country had faced severe drought and flood in almost all parts of India, and we should congratulate the finance minister and his ministry for being able to work out a budget which would meet the situation in the country. I would not like to go into particulars of the budget. Many leading members of the House have criticized and many have appreciated the provisions of the budget and the policies and programs involved therein. I would like only to take this opportunity to highlight some of the problems that we faced in the backward regions, in particular of the northeastern region where I come from. Even after 50 years of independence, we find that transport is still the main problem of the northeastern region. For instance, we have in the hill states problems even with regard to accommodation in trains. I have raised questions a number of times about the availability of seats for travelers from the hill states to different parts of the country. There are some railway out agencies in some capitals of the hill states, but the quotas allotted to them is so small that it does not even meet a very small percentage of the travelers. Poor people here have to depend on the railways to go outside their states or regions. For many regions, mainly for medical treatment, because we do not have adequate medical facilities in the region. They could not avail themselves of the air transport too. Even in regard to the service of food, this region is being looked down upon by so many of the authorities. Of course, these are only my observations and I am not making them by way of complaints. Same is the case with the roads in this region. We have some national highways. There is one national highway between Shillong and the rest of the state and also Bangladesh. There is one bridge constructed 80 years ago by the British government which could permit only trucks with 10 tons load. But now the traffic has increased and trucks of 20 tons loads ply frequently. Stop.